Okay, hello students. Now we will solve another example of Descartes method. That is x4 minus 6x cube for 3x square plus 22x minus 6 is equal to 0. For applying Descartes method, we have to eliminate the second degree term. For this, we have to diminishing each root by h. So let us find the h. What is h? H is equal to sum of roots upon number of roots. Sum of roots that is equal to plus minus that is 6 upon 1 upon number of roots that is equal to 4. So that means that is equal to 3 by 2. So here h is equal to 3 by 2, which is in fraction, but we want without fraction. For this, first of all, we have to transfer this equation with another equation whose roots are multiple of 2. Let y is equal to 2x. That means x is equal to y by 2. Now substitute in 1, that is y by 2, 4 minus 6 y by 2 cube plus 6 y by 2 whole square plus 22 y by 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. That means y raised to power 4 minus 12 y cube plus 412 y square plus 8 into 22, that is equal to 176y minus 96 is equal to 0. Now roots of this equation are the multiple of the roots of this equation, 2 multiple of this equation. Now eliminate second degree term. Now again find h. What is h? H is equal to sum of roots upon number of roots, that is equal to 12 upon 4, that is equal to 3. So now we have to find that equation whose roots are diminishing by 3. 1 minus 12, 176 minus 96. 1 as it is, multiple of this, that is 3, adding these two minus 9, multiply these two minus 27, adding these two minus 15 minus 45, that is equal to 131, and multiply by this, that is 393, after adding that is equal to 297. Again 1, multiply these two, that is 3, multiply 3 into minus 6 minus 18, that is equal to minus 33. 3 into minus 33 minus 99, that is 32. After this, 3 minus 9, that is minus 42, and 3 1 3, that is 0. Now the equation becomes z is equal to y minus h. So equation becomes z cube, z raised to power 4 minus 42z square plus 32z plus 297 is equal to 0. Now our equation is ready to apply Descartes method. How to apply? Now let us take z4 minus 42z square plus 32z plus 297, that is equivalent to z square minus pz plus q into z square minus pz plus q dash plus pz plus q dash. Now comparing the coefficient of these two equations. Here coefficient of z cube, that is coefficient of z cube, that is equal to 0. Here coefficient of z cube p minus p, that is also 0. Coefficient of z square, that is here, that is 32, and here coefficient of z square, that is q dash plus q minus p square. Comparing the coefficient of z, here coefficient of here minus 42. Now coefficient of z, that is 32, that is equal to coefficient of z, that is minus p q dash plus p q. Okay, now constant term here is equal to 297, and here constant term, that is equal to q dash. Here we will get q dash plus q is equal to minus 42 plus p square. Here we have to take p common. Q minus q dash is equal to 32 upon p. We know that q plus q dash whole square is equal to q minus q dash whole square plus 4q dash. Now put the value of q plus q dash, that is minus 42 plus p square, and q minus q dash, that is 32 upon p plus 4q dash, that is 297. After this, a square plus b square minus 2ab, and 32 square upon p square, that is equal to plus 4 into 297, that is 1188. Now that is equal to p4 plus 1764 minus 84 p square into p square is equal to 1024 plus 188 p square. Now after solving, you will get p6 plus 1 p square, 764 p square minus 84 p4 minus 1024 minus 1188 p square is equal to 0. That means p6 minus 84 p4 17641188, that is 675 plus 576 p square minus 1024 is equal to 0. Here put p square is equal to t. This implies t cube minus 84 t square plus 576 t minus 1024 is equal to 0. Here t may be 1, 4, 9, 16 up to so on. So you have to check which t here satisfy is. Now here we have to take t is equal to 4. If you put t is equal to 4 here, you can check that it becomes is equal to 0. So if t is equal to 4, that is p square is equal to 4, this implies p is equal to 2. So we have find the value of p here. Now after this, what is q dash plus q, that is minus 42 plus p square. Q dash plus q, that is minus 42 plus 4, that is equal to minus 38. What is q dash, that is equal to 297. Now make a equation whose roots are q and q dash, that is u square minus sum of roots plus product of roots is equal to 0. That means u square minus sum of roots, that is equal to plus 38u plus 297 is equal to 0. We have to factor these equation, that is 27u plus 11u plus 297 is equal to 0. That means u u bracket u plus 27 plus 11 u plus 27 is equal to 0. This implies u is equal to 27 and u is equal to minus. So u is equal to minus 27 and u is equal to minus 11. One value of this is equal to q and one value of this is equal to q dash. How to decide which is q and which is q dash? So we have to given q minus q dash is equal to 32 upon p. So this implies q minus q dash is equal to 32 upon 2, that is equal to 16. So this implies q becomes here minus 11 and q dash is equal to minus 27. So z square minus pz plus q is equal to 0. This is one equation, and z square plus pz plus q dash, that is second equation. So z square minus pz minus 11 is equal to 0. Solve this quadratic equation. Z is equal to plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2 into 1. That is 2 plus minus 4 root 3 by 2. That means 1 plus minus 2 root 3. Now solve this quadratic equation. Z square plus 2z minus 27 is equal to 0. Z is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2 into 1. That is minus 2 plus minus 4 root 7 by 2. That is z is equal to minus 1 plus minus 2 root 7. We know that z is equal to y minus 3. So this implies y is equal to z plus 3. That means y is equal to 1 plus minus 2 root 3 plus 3 and minus 1 plus minus 2 root 7 plus 3. That is y is equal to 4 plus minus 2 root 3, 2 plus minus 2 root 7, and x is equal to y by 2. So this implies x is equal to 2 plus minus root 3 and 1 plus minus root 7. So these are the 4 roots of the given equation. Thank you.